Hello, my name is Braxton Thornley, and I'm a senior technology trainer here at UEN. Now today, I want to show you some of the features that are built into Nearpod that allow you to collaborate with other teachers and share your lessons, receive lessons, and also add people to your lessons so that they can contribute to them. Let's dive in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start on my Nearpod homepage, and I'm going to highlight this lesson here in the middle, and we're going to go ahead and share this so that you can see how to share your lessons in Nearpod. Now, when I click on those three dots, you'll see that I have the share option. Now, once I click that share button, a new window will open up. And at the bottom of that window, you'll see that I have a link. And I can set my view preferences for that link. So do I want people with that link to be able to view, to be able to edit, or to have their own copy? Once I've set that, I can click the copy link button, and then I can place that link wherever I need it to go. And I can even send it to people so they can access my lesson. Additionally, though, I can share directly with people by entering their email address. Now, I'm entering in the email address of one of my colleagues here. And again, I can set whether or not she can view, edit, or receive her own copy of my lesson. Once I've done that, I'm going to click the Share Lesson button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then that's going to close the window. If I go back to my Share options, though, and I open up that Share window one more time, you'll be able to see that my colleague is now listed under People with Access, and I can change her level of access at any time. So I can change her from a viewer to an editor, or I can remove her from the lesson entirely. Additionally, though, if I exit out of this window, you'll also see that in my lesson options here, I can also send my lesson to the school library so that anyone in my school also has access to this lesson as their own copy. So you can see that there are a variety of ways to send and share your lessons with other teachers inside of Nearpod, and you can use all of those different pathways in order to make sure that you can collaborate with your colleagues and support learning not only in your own classroom, but in their classrooms as well. All right, hopefully you have an idea of how you can use Nearpod to collaborate with some of your colleagues. Not only can you share lessons with other teachers, but you can also add teachers to your lessons so that they can contribute content as well.